Namaste children. Today we are going to discuss about the lesson new questions and ideas from your history part. Listen my dear children. He was Mahavira who founded the religion called Jainism. The last and 24th Tirthangara of the Jainas, Vardhamana Mahavira. He lived before 2500 years ago. He was a Kshatriya prince of Lichavis group that was part of Vaji Sangha. He left home and got enlightenment by take over that period for it 12 years. For a hard and lonely life, he ended with that the updated knowledge that is called enlightenment. He taught a simple doctrine to the people, especially men and women who wished to know the life in simple way. See my dear children, he asked his followers to follow the ahimsa, that is to kind to other animals and birds and living creatures also. By preaching that Jaina through that Prakrit language, where it taught, which taught in Magadha, and it was known as Magadhi. The followers of Mahavira who were known as Jainas. See, this is the sign of Jainism, which is the world peace. See children, the Jainas, that is the followers of Mahavira, who were lived in simple lives. They did not took anything for themselves because they want to live in a simple way. That's why they begging for food. They had to absolutely honesty and were especially asked not to steal. They followed that principle which is called celibacy. That means not to get married. And also they observed to be as a monks. The men, those who are called the followers of the Jainas were called monks. The follower of the women of the religion Jaina were called nuns. Those people who are not getting married, they want to give up all the things and their lives from that livelihood and they live as a nuns. See my dear children, the birth date of Mahavira, which is celebrated by the Jainas, is known as Mahavir Jayanti, as like Buddha Purnima. See my dear children, Jainism was supported mainly by traders, farmers and most of the people belongs from our country. Jainism spread to different parts of North India and then Gujarat and most of the places in Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. The teachings of Mahavira and his followers were transmitted orally for several centuries. They were written down in the form in which they are presently available at a place called Wallabi, which is in Gujarat. See children, the word Jaina comes from the term Jina, meaning is conqueror. Hope you are all understood about Jainism and Mahavira children. Thank you. We will see in the next class.